Hi everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. Welcome to the inside of my M240i. In today's video, I want to talk to you a little bit about launch control. You put the car into Sport Plus. You press this traction button down here once, and that puts you into dynamic traction. Then you put the shifter over here, okay? And what you'll do, so I'm gonna now stand on the brake pedal with my left foot, and I'm just gonna start building the boost. So I'm actually just gonna show you guys this. So if I press and hold the gas now, okay? So it says launch control active, and you can see the boost starting to build. Okay, so to set up launch control, the first thing you do is you put the car into Sport Plus, which I will do now. We're in Sport Plus. Next thing you do is you press the traction button once to put yourself into the sport traction or dynamic traction mode, and you'll see on your dash here that it says Sport Plus, and the traction will be in yellow. Then you move the shifter towards you while you're in drive. Okay, so you go to drive, you move the shifter towards you, and now you're in the sport shift mode. So you should see it says Sport Plus, traction in yellow, and it says S1. Now, I'm going to stand on the brake pedal with my left foot, and I'm going to press and hold my foot all the way down on the gas pedal so I can see the boost is building, and it says launch control active. And now I'm going to take my foot off the brake. Whoa! That was incredible, and it's actually nice enough outside here that I had the window down. Woo! Guys, you really need to try out the B58. That was incredible. So that's how you do launch control, and I'll try to make another video with another angle so you guys can see that. If you like the launch control, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.